Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to do a closet swap, changing from all my fall and winter fashion to spring and summer fashion because we finally hit that time of the year where it's hot enough to not be wearing sweaters and jackets anymore, and my closet is a nightmare, and for me to even get any of my summer and warm clothes, I have to dig all the way to the back of my closet and pull whatever out I can get. So I figured I would take you guys along for the journey while I switch my closet over from winter to summer fashion. Also, if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram account, then do make sure you check that out right here. I post there daily with stories. I also post my aesthetic-ish style photos and all the vibes that I like, which includes fashion, lifestyle, and just images that I really am vibing with that day. So head on over to my Instagram account and hit that follow button if you want to stay updated on what I get to on a regular basis, day to day. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, do hit that subscribe button with the notification bell to make sure you stay tuned to all my weekly videos that I upload here on this channel. I upload once a week, which includes fashion videos, try-on videos, skincare hauls, skincare reviews, skincare routines, and also the occasional makeup tutorial and hair tutorial. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. Anyway, you guys, let's hop right to it. So this section up here is bedding and linens. I would prefer to have like storage bins for up there to hide all the linens that we don't use, and it pretty much is always organized in a mess because I can't reach up there at all unless I grab a stool, and of course I'm not going to do that every time I want to fold laundry. It's a little bit tedious. So ideally I would like to get like storage bins just so it can stay in place and not fall over and just look a little bit prettier, be a little more organized and less chaotic. Otherwise, the closet itself is successfully transitioned to the summer season, with dresses being on the top row, middle row being kind of everything else like shirts, heavier shirts, and then same with the bottom row being more of the lightweight blouses. Then all of the sweaters I have folded over here. These are all my knits sweaters that I'm keeping for next year, and I actually made a donation pile. So these are all the winter clothes that I've had for years and I just don't really wear. Excuse me. The ones that I don't wear anymore or haven't worn for the past 2 winter seasons or the past 1 winter season whatsoever. I literally have stuff in here that I had before I even moved to South Korea. Like this shirt right here, I still love it, but I never wear it. It's like a stunning gray shirt, but it's not the best quality, and I feel like like I'm too old to get away with wearing stuff like this. So, like, not because it looks young, but just based on the quality. Like, the back is very, like, cheaply made, pilled, and just looks very, very cheap. I got that, like, 2 years before I moved to Korea, so it's probably, like, almost 10 years old. I'd say about 8 years. Insane. Insane. So that's all donation stuff to give away. The rest of the stuff I have here in this pile is all skirts and pants that I'm going to fold and put into my pants chest where I keep all my stuff. Over here I have all the hangers from the winter clothes that I folded up or are going into donation, and behind it is literally just pajamas and like a random scarf and socks and underwear that needs to get folded. There's like one pair of jeans in there as well that needs to go away, so that stuff has nothing really to do with my closet at all, so I figured I'd just leave that out of the video since we're just focusing on the closet today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it inspired you to clean up your closet because mine has been like this for too long. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with that notification bell to stay tuned and see every single weekly video, and make sure you're tuned into every single weekly video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!